Thank you. Mr. Douglas, can you state your name and spell it for the record?
Benjamin Douglas, Benjamin, Douglas, Douglas.
And can you tell the jury which victim in this case you're related to and how?
I am Tammy Daybell's youngest brother.
Thank you. Did you prepare a statement to read today?
Yes, I have one.
If you could do that now, thank you.
October 10th, 2019, I became a father of twins after years of my wife, Kelsey, and I struggling to have children. We started the current chapter of our life. Just 9 days later, on Saturday, October 19th, 2019, exhausted as a parent to newborn twins is, I received a phone call from my sister Samantha informing that our sister Tammy had passed away overnight. I was in shock and physically unable to move out of that bed for hours after, sobbing and wondering why this had. I had seen her just a few weeks previous when she stopped by our home alongside my parents, bringing gifts for the twins and excitedly saying that she had been hoping they'd show up in time for her visit. My children only know their Aunt Tammy from pictures, stories, and grave marker that they frequently request to visit. They only know their dad as someone dealing with great amounts of grief and anxiety, and I only know how to parent as someone fighting through the tidal waves of loss, media coverage, texts, phone calls, and at-home visits from reporters. The amount of sleepless nights I've had from raising twins pales in comparison to the nights I've been kept awake by nightmares of someone close to me hurting my children. The amount of damage, having trust that was built over decades of family time, completely broken, does to an individual is unmeasurable. The pain of not just losing your sibling, but to have their children, my nieces and nephews, completely alter their relationships with me is excruciating and a lasting hurt. Instead of there being a collective healing and grieving process, there is still ongoing damage and pain. Where there should be love and comfort from close family bonds, there are now major fractures that I can only hope will one day mend and be made whole. I miss sharing our birthday month, which now feels hollow and empty. I miss my sister. Thank you.